Hi, this is Emily from SPC. Today I will show you a new model EPC-109A. It's a compact fanless embedded PC designed for automation and stable performance even in harsh environments. Powered by Intel 10th generation Core i3, i5, i7 processors. It's ideal for automation, production lines, machine visions, and other industrial applications. Don't let this small size fool you. It can support rich I/O ports including HDMI, VGA, USB, LAN ports, and other ports can seamlessly with your equipment. Now let's take a closer look at the ports. On this side, we have the Wi-Fi antenna, power switch, 2 USB ports, and 3 common ports which support RS-232, RS-485. Now let's take a look at the other side. On this side, we have power input, VGA audio, 2 LAN ports for USB, HDMI, and grounding screws. This PC also supports 9 to 36 volt voltage input, so it works smoothly even when the power supply isn't stable. Great for tough industrial environments. Okay, let me show you the internal structure detail. This is our internal structure. Our design idea is based on Lego mold. The internal structure is board-to-board and the cableless design. With the aluminum alloy materials and fanless design, this model EPC-109A can support long-term stability and durability. Okay, if you have any question, please contact with us. Thank you for your time.